Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about a toolkit from Bahco. If you are a mechanic, professional mobile mechanic or DIYer, then you wanna consider to have this toolkit. Bahco is a high quality Swedish tool brand and now owned by Snap-on.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Let's get into details of this toolkit. It comes with this sturdy and high quality molded box. This molded box is oil and chemical resistant. Very strong box. Nice and sturdy opening clips. These are not cheaply made clips. The box is 37 cm wide and the height of the box is 43 cm. It is 10.5 cm thick. The weight of the box is almost 11 kg. Now let's open up the box and get into details. Let's start with the 1/4 inch assortment first. The quality of the ratchet feels good. Socket seated firmly into the ratchet easily. Good quality release function. All 3 ratchets in this box are 680 design. I like this small bit ratcheting driver. All kind of most common sizes of bits included in this box. Nice little bit driver and will be very handy under the dashboard work. Quality of the sockets really good. The sizes included in 1/4 inch are all the way from 4 to 13 mm. This bit driver is one of my favorite features in this box. If you attach bit adapter, it works like a screwdriver, and also it is a 1/4 inch socket driver, so that you can also use 1/4 inch socket on it. Moreover, you can use it as an extension with a 1/4 inch ratchet. Isn't it cool? It's got also deep 1/4 inch socket and a universal joint adapter. Now look at the 3/8 ratchet. Good quality standard length comfort grip ratchet. It's a 680 design. Pretty basic, but good quality. Quick release function is very nice and socket seated smoothly. Socket sizes are from 6 to 22 mm without any skips, which is nice. The quality of the sockets are amazing. Also includes universal joint adapter. You don't see so often these crow's feet in a kit these days. These can be very handy in hard to reach areas and also to unbolt some of the sensors. Now let's check the half-inch assortments. Pretty basic 60T design ratchet, but the quality is top-notch. Direction lever is sturdy and made of metal. Quick release function is smooth. Handle is two-component design and Bahco stamped on the harder part of the ratchet. The black part is softer material. Chrome plating is consistent and nice. Superb ratchet. The sockets are all the way from 10 to 24 mm without any skips and adding 27, 32 and 34 mm sockets. These are all most common sizes you will need in automotive mechanics. All the sockets has knurling on them for anti-slip feature. You can even feel the good quality of sockets. This kit includes even most common sizes in half-inch standard and SAE sockets too, which is awesome. Now we move on to the top side of the box. This section has all the extension and spanners. The section is secured with this sturdy plastic separator with assortments diagram on it, where you can see where all the assortments belongs to. Sturdy and high quality material. You can also remove it completely if you want to. Here you can see flexible extension for 1/4-inch ratchet. Pretty handy extension. These are spark plug sockets with rubber insert in it, which helps to grab the spark plugs. Three most common spark plug sockets are included. This is my another favorite feature of the box. The organizer of the spanners. You can take all the wrenches at once with you and finish up the job and bring it back the hole. Very handy organizer. These are really good quality wrenches and includes all the common sizes from 7 to 19 mm without any skips. Box end of the wrenches have 15-degree angle. This half-inch long extension with combination of T-handle extension makes it pretty handy breaker bar. This side has also some extension in 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive. Guys, for your info, I'm not sponsored by Bahco. Overall, I would say what a superb quality and good amount of assortment toolkit it is. Very sturdy and high quality toolkit. You can also do almost all basic jobs in a car with this toolkit. And the quality of the Bahco tools need no introduction. Here in Europe, you can find Bahco tools in every professional workshop. Bahco tools are not made in Sweden anymore. They are made in Spain, Brazil, Taiwan, China, etc. But Bahco still hold up their quality standards. Bahco produces many tools for Snap-on and Blue Point as well. Bahco are considered to make the best pipe wrenches in the world. Anyhow, this kit is one of my favorite toolkit. Based on my knowledge and personal use of Bahco tools, I would say it is a super quality kit and it will serve you for life if you use it properly and not abused. And most of their tools have lifetime warranty, I believe. Guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment below. If you guys enjoyed the video, consider to subscribe my channel. See you in another video.